Hello, I got your question. You want to graph the function f of x equal minus 2 to the x plus 3 power, give the domain and range. You were asking about the graphing part. So you click on this tool, this pops up, this box. You want to click on the exponential. You were asking what points to plot. Here's the key point, 0, 1. And so you click right here, and this yellow guy comes in. So you actually only give it 1 point, the key point 0, 1. Then this box pops up, and you can see where I'm typing in green here. You know, you got to do your shifting and reflect your transformations. You know, this x plus 3, this 3 shifts at 3 to the left, and so horizontal shift, you'd have to move this over to negative 3. And this here reflects it across the x-axis, and so you'd have to check this box here. Then you gotta say OK to it. Hope that helps.